Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 14th of November. The euro is strengthening as an overnight short-term debt auction by Greece was deemed successful. The debt-ridden nation will use these funds to repay $5 billion worth of obligation expiring on Friday. This comes one day after a disagreement between the IMF and the Eurozone was revealed. During a press conference, Christine Lagarde, IMF's managing director, persisted that Greece should return to their debt-to-GDP ratio target of 120% by the year 2020, while Eurogroup Chairman Juncker voiced his preference for that target to be reached by the year 2022. Following these developments, market participants are bracing for heightening volatility. The Australian dollar rose from 104.25 to 104.43 versus the US dollar yesterday, and even though overall sentiment is negative, the short-term trend appears bullish. Gold is in need of a catalyst that will push the precious metal higher or lower versus the US dollar. Gold is currently trading above 1,725 US dollars an ounce, having started the week yesterday at 1,734.39. Oil keeps testing the 85 US dollars a barrel level early in the US session. If the precious commodity manages to break and hold above 84.90, then this could pave the way for lower lows. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 127.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 127.15. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.60 with a preference to enter in short positions at 79.60. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.95. The sterling dollar pivot points at 158.90 with a preference to enter in short positions at 158.90. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9975 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9975. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 86.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 86.50. The gold pivot points at 1732 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1732. The silver pivot points at 32.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 32.75. The US 500 is at 1388 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1388. And the UK 100 is at 5695 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5695. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe, we have the industrial production month-on-month in September, forecast to drop by 1.9%. And in the US, we have retail sales in October forecast to drop by 0.2%, and also the FOMC minutes will be released. And our interesting pair of the day is the dollar Polish zloty. The US dollar recorded a 2-month high at 330.94 versus the Polish zloty yesterday. This acted as a resistance, and the greenback is now moving lower. The 328 area is expected to act as a support, and long positions around that level could offer an excellent risk-reward potential. Thank you for watching our Daily Outlook for the 14th of November. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.